PBS Kids!
Da-da-da-da! Yup, there's more good stuff to come on WETA Kids.
I'm about to change the channel.
We know there are a lot of TV shows out there that you could be watching.
Hello! Hello up there! Arthur! Hey, look, they're here! What's going on?
Look at that.
Hey, Brain!
With all the competition out there, look at that. We're really glad that you keep watching Arthur.
I like it.
Man, that is good.
Yeah!
I jump rope, yes I do. Then along comes Nina, that makes two. Two jump rope, Nina and me. Then along comes Keisha, that makes three. Three jump rope, is there a way? Let's take turns so we all can play.
Every day here is terrific.
So don't miss a single one on WETA Kids.
Barney and Friends was made possible by...
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television, where a kid can be a kid.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.